Hello, today I show you how to restore WordPress site from a backup. First, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get new videos. Go to your cPanel and open your site. File Manager and public HTML folder. Make sure your home directory, the folder name of your home directory. Here is public HTML directory, all WordPress file and folder. Just select all, then press delete. You see, the directory is empty now. Nothing here. You see, nothing here. Now go to phpMyAdmin and find out your database name. I have one database, maybe you have many. Be careful, select the right one. Here is the name of your database. Just check it. It must be correct name. Check all. Then press drop. Then yes. You see? No table found in database. It is empty. You see, our site is also empty. Nothing here. Now we will upload our WordPress file. Again, select the right directory. Upload zip file, backup zip file from your computer. You see, here is my zip folder. Upload complete. Go back. Here is our zip file, that means folder. Just select and extract it. Press extract. Extract files. You see the public HTML. Then close the window. Now you must delete the zip file. No need to keep this file here. It is not secure. Just delete. Now we have all our WordPress file and folder. You see, our site is looking our database. Don't touch this window. Keep it as it. Go to phpMyAdmin and select the right database name. You see, nothing here. No table found in database. Just import your SQL file, your database file, and press go. You see, the database updated. Just press structure. Here is all file. Now go to your website. Just type your URL only. You see, we already restored this site. Sometime you maybe need to update your permalink. It is very easy. Just log in WordPress dashboard and go to permalinks and just change main and again post name and press save changes. You see, permalink structure updated. Our site is okay. It is fine. Thank you very much for watching.